All right, we're here at the room 8633.
Are you ready?
Yeah, on the Brilliance of the Seas. I'm ready.
Okay, the key worked.
That's good.
Alright.
Oh,
There's the light.
it's really dark.
Okay. I'm gonna turn this TV off.
That's good. Okay, so let's start room tour of 8633 on the Brilliance of the Seas. We've got the closet. Okay, pretty standard closet. Some shelves in the middle. Life jackets up top. A ladder, I guess, in case. Does this have a trundle or something? Trundle? What do you call that bed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they've got
The bed, two of them.
the
We're not gonna be using those.
No.
And then let's see, we've got
Bathroom.
some little hooks there. It's kind of nice. Here is the bathroom. Yes.
Is that the right light?
Whoa, that's the right light.
Okay.
Pretty standard bathroom.
Look at this mat. What is this?
Hello.
I don't know what that's doing.
That may be a thermostat or something. I don't know.
Sound.
Sound. Oh, cool, for the announcements.
Oh, so we can hear.
Oh, that's good. All right, we have a shower and a shower head.
Pretty standard shower.
It's a shower.
Okay.
You clean yourself in it.
Alright.
Moving on, we've got a desk. We've got some drawer space here, which is nice. We've got two outlets right there.
Oh, nice. I'm about to. Is
Little
that the fridge?
Refrigerator.
It was not closed.
Well, that's how we roll. We've got some lights here. I don't know how to turn those on yet. We'll figure that out. Oh, did you get it? Did you figure it out? I think you figured it out.
Look at that.
Oh, look at that. She's so smart. This is an addendum to the room tour because I didn't even realize there were secret mirror shelving, stay open, shelving things here.
This one stays open.
How cool is that?
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah. Nice. All right. Well, we'll carry on with the rest of the tour now. And I don't see any USBs. We do have European and American outlets.
Not sure. What are these?
Those are things for stuff. Data ports. I
don't see a phone in here.
Interesting. Yeah, there's no phone. Oh, it's over on the, on the side. We got a TV. What's this here?
Door cabinets, probably the safe.
That's a safe bet. Look at that.
Nice.
Little safe there.
Put all your secrets inside.
Oh, they won't all fit in there. This is really cool though. A couch.
Yeah, I like the couch. And it like faces the TV and the TV swivels.
Nice.
So we can watch it from the bed.
Oh.
Yeah.
Fancy. And here is the bed. They have the rounded corners on these beds here, which is kind of an interesting way of doing things. We got the mirror on the bed.
Hello.
Hello. And little nightstands.
That's cute little nightstands.
With drawers.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Lights. Oh, that turned off the lights.
Why would you do that? There we go. And look at this, Kibra. Check this out. There's privacy curtains here. So you can close off the bedroom from the other part.
Oh, that's awesome. Does this pull out into a bed too?
I don't know. Do we need it to?
No,
Are you predicting the future? Am I going to get in trouble?
No, no. I was just seeing if there was a reason that there were privacy curtains. Like if somebody was sleeping. Matthew? Okay.
Anyway, that's a cool feature if you're sailing with somebody that you are not super intimate with, I guess, that you would want to change.
I'm curious.
Somebody wants to sleep, somebody wants to stay up.
Right, that. But I think my guess is if it's not the two beds together, one bed might be over here and the other bed might be here.
Oh, maybe.
Because that's how a configuration was.
You could do that because it's got the little light there. That would be cool.
That's how the configuration was.
Lots of privacy.
When I stayed on a Carnival interior room.
Cool. So that is the tour of room 8633 on the Royal Caribbean Brilliance of the Seas. I keep almost saying on the Carnival Brilliance of the Seas. That's stupid. On the Royal Caribbean Brilliance of the Seas. Are you done?
Am I done? Sorry. This is fun.
All right. Look, if you like this video, comment below. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time.
Have a fantastic day.
No, seize the day.
I'm sorry. Seize the day.
Have a fantastic day, everybody.